Good morning, ma'am and sir. I'm Jose Edwin Villesis, 29 years old, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, and I have almost 5 years experience, 3 years experience here in Philippines as a agricultural technician. And after that I work in Israel is almost 1 year. My work in Israel is vegetable seedlings. I work applying fertilizer, diagnose the plant, and general maintenance and irrigation. After that I work in Saudi Arabia last 2 years, 2023 and 2024, as a landscape gardener. My work in Saudi Arabia is soil mixing, irrigation, pest control, maintenance, using equipment like loader, multi-one, excavator, and tractor. And my using equipment in landscape is lawn mower, grass cutter, and chainsaw. And my contract is